This video started as a challenge between our old and new mini bikes as a comparison, but as you will quickly see, things go very awry. We have tons of failures, and this ultimately turns into troubleshooting and diagnosing an old Briggs and Stratton 5 horsepower high-performance engine that we built from junkyard parts. There are ups, there are downs, ultimately ends in victory for that guy.
Are you sure?
Enjoy the video.
I've done a little bit of research, and it looks like, from what I've read, 3.5 horse, they have rev limiters. And I believe that this is a rev limiter because that's the way it's acting. Either that or the coil is breaking down at high RPMs.
So you're probably able to hear it in the burnout I just did with this little blue mini bike. It seems to break up at high RPM, and our best guess is that it's the 3 horsepower flywheel and coil that we used on here. We put a 3 horsepower flywheel on this 5 horse Briggs, so we have less rotating mass, so the engine will turn higher RPM faster, basically. Doesn't seem to be working in our favor, and the thing doesn't want to run either. So we're just going to swap a 5 horse flywheel and coil back onto it and see if that fixes our problems.
I hate that this didn't work out for you, buddy.
I know.
It's always worked out for me in the past.
But not this time. Got our safety kill switch zip tie. Let's see if it'll run.
Really? Oh yeah, we got spark.
Oh.
Good looking spark.
So it's a fuel problem, or the plug is fouled.
Or the plug. Oh, she's wet.
We keep running into the same problem with this engine. It'll turn over, run for a few seconds, it'll sputter, and then it'll die. So we think it is probably a spark problem and like a spark plug problem. So we're trying to switch spark plugs, but this aftermarket head requires a shallow spark plug. We don't have another one on hand, and Ike's been trying to drill out a washer to use to stack on another spark plug. It's sketchy. No, definitely not doing that. Anyway, I think we're gonna run out and try to find another spark plug.
All right, so we have the new plug installed. Let's see what happens.
Yes, I hope this
Fingers
does it.
crossed.
If he sees that, the pull cord. What's happening, man? Pull cord problems. What else? Did you blow it up?
I don't think I blew it up. I thought I did, but seeing that cord out, I guess the starter seized up. I think that starter that we've been having a problem with messed up. Let's just take it apart.
Okay, let's just take it apart.
The starter messed up, and I believe it unscrewed off the crankshaft.
Oh.
Yeah. That's what I wanted to say.
Yeah, I'm used to you going by me at a higher rate of speed than that, and then when I looked at you, I saw the pull cord that was dragging behind you.
Oh goodness. Flywheel came off and everything.
Wow.
Oh, the motor's not stuck. Still feels fine.
Good.
But something happened and it sheared the key.
Do we need a new crankshaft?
No, I think we're okay. But something happened. But we need a new key, so we gotta find a key. Try to find a key, but dude, I'm telling you, I had that thing super duper tight. Super duper tight, got something going. It's seized up. So I think what happened was the seal melted to this. That's why the pull cord shot out and started dragging behind me.
Yep.
And then it unscrewed this.
And then the flywheel came off.
And then which loosened the flywheel and it sheared the pin because the crankshaft is not stuck. It feels smooth as butter.
Okay.
I think it was all caused by this.
Wow.
So
I had no idea.
we had this other one that we had a problem with, but it's terrible. Why don't we see if they have a new one of these?
Okay. No need to push our luck.
No need to push our luck. Let's go stock and just see how it performs. Stock, it should be stronger out of the hole, but we won't have the top end like we would if we advance it. Bam.
Simple as that.
Simple as that, and it fits good.
So we're robbing the starter off the old Rat Rod wagon engine just for the time being, because we're running behind like usual.
All right, so we have that. Dude, surprisingly, the pull start seems fine.
So reuse?
That's great.
All right.
I guess we can go ahead and change the springs.
Yeah, might as well.
Are these the ones that was in the box with the camshaft?
Yes, they were in the cam box.
All right. I wonder how many people have tried putting springs in with the head on.
Without taking the valves out.
I'm probably the only one.
So after struggling for a while, it was just going to be easier for us to take the head off. So we're going to do it the proper way and just lift it on off.
The head is probably slightly warped. I noticed that it's been hit a few times with a Brillo pad or something. It'll actually eat the flat surface, so we probably have to go get this thing
Flattened out?
Yep. Right there and right there.
Yeah.
Not enough I'm worried about it today.
Nah.
I mean, it's so much easier when you do that.
When you take the head off?
Yeah.
And it's not that many bolts either.
This is the spring that came with the performance camshaft. Now, it was in the same box. I think they're stock, but here we go. See that?
Yep.
Here's the Predator spring.
Stock spring.
Yeah.
Now the Predator spring is shorter overall.
Was that it?
I don't know.
That was it.
Oh, nice, buddy.
Looks good to me, bud.
Cool. Let's get it back together. Ready to go?
All right. Let's see
Will
what
it
happens.
run? Hit it, man.
Choke it.
Sure. Oh, hey, he lost his brakes. I don't think he has any brakes. Do you see the do you see the brake linkage like dangling on the ground? Yeah. You went by at like a high rate of speed and I was like, yeah, I hope you noticed that.
It's still in.
It sounded pretty good, I thought.
Doing the same thing.
Alright, let's take it in and
Could be a carburetor, but I say we try the car.
Alright. Sounds good.
Drag race.
Alright.
So that was hanging down.
Yep.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, dude.
Wow.
Let's go fix it.
I was wondering why the brakes weren't working. So I just started standing on the pedal.
On the pedal part. Yeah, that's funny. So what happened down there, buddy?
What, here?
Yes.
It just fell off.
Oh, it just fell off. Plain and simple.
Yeah, plain and simple.
So we seem to finally have this old Briggs figured out. We're going to end the video with a little bit of a teaser for our next video, which is going to be the old blue mini bike versus a new red Coleman CT200.
You're going down.
I was pointing it right at him. So.
You're going down.
I don't think it's warmed up, but it's not.
So what do you think happened, buddy?
I think it sheared the key.
The flywheel timing key.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, look at
It
that.
did.
Carnage, man.
That doesn't look good. That's exactly what happened.
Oh, man. That's aluminum? Yeah, because like
What?
the key, yeah, because 20 minutes ago you were like, these are aluminum, they're designed to shear.
Yep. We need a key.
We have a key, don't we? Or is that
That was it. We have those half offset ones.
Oh, it's definitely going to shear that.
Yeah.
All right, man, we got it at the store 5 minutes before they closed. What do we got?
We have 2 keys.
2 steel keys, right?
Aluminum.
Oh, are those aluminum?
Yeah.
They're also, okay, well, we'll see if this is going to work or not.
I'm happy, dude.
Yeah.
Apart from having all the issues that we've been having,
Yeah.
pretty good.
We figured it out. We
Pretty
got
good.
a good pass out of it, dude.
finally
Yeah.
a good pass.
Not bad.
Buddy, I am super surprised that this not only like was able to hang with that bike, but was faster in one drag race.
Yeah.
We're out of light to do our comparison today because we had so many problems, but I feel like if we were to have a rematch or two, I think if we were to do an out of 3 drag race, I think I might win on the new bike. I just need a better launch.
All right, you want to put a wager on it?
What kind of wager?
What do you got?
Nothing.
You never paid me back for the naked lap.
Nope, not doing that.
Whoever loses gets to wash the other person's car.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Not a problem.
Yeah.
You're on, buddy.
Okay, you got
All
it.
right. Out of 3.
Yeah.
2 out of 3.
Best 2 out of 3.
Best 2 out of 3. Oh, you're so going down, dude.
We'll see. Anyway, today was going to be, well, yesterday was going to be our that mini bike versus this mini bike day, but we just kept running into problems with this whole engine.
Yeah.
But we finally seemed to get everything worked out.
Pretty good.
We went through a starter. We went through a flywheel, a coil. The only thing...
Springs?
Valve springs,
Yeah.
a spark plug,
Yeah.
flywheel key. 6 things, dude.
All trying to figure out what its
Yeah.
issue is, and we
What
still
was going
haven't.
on? Yeah, it
figured
still
it
does
out.
the same thing at high RPM.
So I'm wondering if it's a fuel delivery problem or a carburetor issue.
Thanks for watching this video, guys. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video today and you want to see more Briggs and Stratton content, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome go-kart, mini bike, ATV content in general from us at Cars and Cameras. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram in between videos at Cars and Cameras Reviews.
Check me out at Isaac It'll Be Fine.
Of course, check out GoPowersports.com for all your go-kart and mini bike needs. You can find a link to all the parts we have on this bike from Go Power Sports in the links in the description of this video. We got a clutch, we got a chain guard, we got a couple other things.
Get yourself a hat, a shirt, A hoodie.
some stickers. Support us in what we do by picking some up at cars-cameras.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time, where you will find out who's going to be washing the other person's car.